we're really excited in our Molecular Imaging Research Centre to have the Tracer QC instrumentation from LabLogic. And one of the really great things about that is it's going to streamline our QC process. So it's going to allow us to not only have a smaller footprint and free up some of our instrumentation to produce a wider range of radio tracers, but it's also going to free up staff time. So the skilled staff will be able to develop the more complex process and will be able to deal with our routine QC using the Tracer QC setup. Something that's really important for the future of radiopharmaceutical production is we need to find efficiencies in all of this process, and bringing in automation is really important as well, because that takes out a dependency on skilled staff that may not be deliverable in all sites. Tracer QC answers some of these questions and innovates in exactly the right place. We need to make sure that we don't have a room full of specialised equipment that we're constantly needing to run our own quality control on and to switch over between different applications. What you really need is a solution that's fit for purpose and directed towards that radiopharmaceutical market. And this is where we feel Tracer QC fits in. It's going to make the process more efficient, and it's going to allow us to produce that wider range of radiopharmaceuticals. One of the really exciting things about Tracer QC is when we are bringing new tracers into our centre, and that is one of our main aims, we'll be able to work with LabLogic and their partner Traceability to put the QC onto Tracer QC straight away. And that's really advantageous in terms of workflow and in terms of efficiency. And so this is what's going to allow us to deliver this wider range of tracers that we want to from our centre.